Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy and cute journal at home. So many of you guys have the misconception that a journal is something that is hard to make and it requires very complex materials. But a journal is something that is just used to express something and you can just make it easily out of any things that you have at home. So today I thought of making a blue journal and shall we proceed? So first of all, I'm just taking some basic materials that everybody would have. So for my blue journal, I've just taken a star sheet containing blue stars, and I've also taken another sheet containing small blue stars as well. Then I also taken a small sticky note for writing something, and I've taken this blue color washi tape as well as some parts of blue paper for writing and sticking. And I've also taken this blue crepe paper which may be used for doing other things as well. Then I've taken a sticker pack from which I can use the sticker which looks blue. And finally, I've done some small cute drawings that are blue. So you guys can customize it and draw anything that you prefer. So I've just tried to make it simple so that anybody could follow along. So I've just made a blue butterfly, a dolphin, some blue flowers, a small octopus, a teddy bear, a bow, another small flower, a blue bird, and a blue fish. So it's up to you about which drawings you make. I'm just going to be doing it in a very simple way. So I'm just drawing simple things. You can do whatever you want with it. So along with this, I'm just going to be taking some blue color markers as well. So this is just a simple craft which demonstrates how to do a journal. So you can do it in any color, any theme that you prefer. So for now, I'm just taking some blue color markers and sketches to do the decorations. So now, shall we proceed? So for starting off, I'm just taking half an A4 sheet for doing this craft. So you guys can do it directly in your journal, but I'm just taking it in an A4 sheet so that if I have to do any changes, I can do it easily, and at last I can stick it in a journal or stick it on the wall or use it for any other purposes as well. So I'm just taking this sheet at the beginning. Then I've also cut the small drawings that I've made into small pieces. So I've just cut it along the border so that it will be easily stuck. So you guys can cut it along the outline or you can do it like this as well. So we'll keep this aside and we'll start. So for the first step, I'm just going to be taking this blue washi tape and I'm going to be sticking it all around the corner to create a good blue effect of the background. So I'm not going to be sticking it at the corners exactly, so I'm just going to be sticking it over here in the outline so that if you want to do any cuttings at the corner, that can also be done, or else you can even cut it in the corners or do other some sticking on top. So for that, I'm just going to be sticking it over here in the middle. So now we've done sticking and the blue vibe is already started to click. So now I'm going to be sticking some small stickers over here at the top. So I'm just going to be sticking the ones that we made over here. So I'm just going to be pasting a few over here. So it doesn't matter in which way you paste it. The only thing we're going to do is making it in the way we like. So it can be customized in any way you want it to be. So I'm just going to be adding the small bird sticker at the top with the help of a glue stick. And we're going to be sticking this over here at the top left corner. Then I'm also be planning to stick this dolphin over here at the bottom as well, over here, like this. So it doesn't matter if the border gets cut or like anything else is hidden, because it just used to express something. So it doesn't matter how it turns out, only the effort and the designs we make actually matters. So our top two designs are over, so I'm just having a few more stickers left. So I'm just going to be placing it in different areas and I'll show you once it is done. So we're done with the sticking the stickers and it's starting to look very pretty. So now we'll continue with it. So over here at the bottom, I'm planning to stick another blue sticker over here. So I'm going to be sticking this large blue sticker at the bottom. So yeah, so once we are done with this, I'm also planning to stick a quote over here to give it a motivational look on the top. So you guys can write your quote if you want by yourself, but I'm just planning to stick this ready-made sticker over here. Yeah, so once we're done, we'll be moving on to the next part. So that is, I have these small blue stickers as well. So I'm just going to be sticking these small star stickers over here and there just to give it a starting look. So now the blue stars have been stuck. So now I'm going to be taking the sticky note we had. So I've just cut it to make it fit the size and I'm planning to stick it over here. So for that, I'm just going to be taking the glue stick and I'm going to be sticking this. Yeah, so this will go right over here. So once this is done, I'm planning to write a motivational quote over here. So if you guys want, you can avoid this step or you can do your own decorations. This is just a base idea, so you guys can either recreate it or use your own creativity and imagination to design this. So once this is done, I'm just going to be giving it a blue outline. So I'm just going to be taking a blue chisel marker and I'm going to be giving it an outline. So I'm not going to be using a scale or a ruler to make it look perfect, as I'm just going to be drawing it with free hand. So once that is done, I'm going to be taking a blue marker again and I'm just going to be doing some small designs at the top over here. So once that is over, we're going to be writing a motivational quote. So for this, I'm going to be taking a blue sketch pen over here, and you can write any other quote you want. I'm just going to be writing a normal and famous one. And once that is done, we can proceed with the other parts. So I'm just going to be covering the remaining place we have by doing other small decorations. So at the bottom, I'm just going to be drawing a small the waves to represent the sea, and I'm going to be drawing small dots over here as well. And once that is done, we can proceed to the next part. So we, as you see, there are a lot of spaces remaining over here, so you can use your own creativity to design this. So I'm just going to be using a blue color paper, and I'm going to be sticking it in different places, and I'm just going to be writing another small quotes in this over here. Just color out 3 small circles from the color paper that we had, and I'm planning to take the black sketch pen and write other small quotes. So since the space we have is very small, I'm just going to be writing small quotes such as dream big and work hard, something like that. Work hard, dream big, and never give up. So once we're done with this, we can stick it in any part we like. So since I have a lot of empty spaces over here, I'm just going to be sticking one over here, another one over here, and another one over here, maybe like this, or here. So most of the space is covered up. So we do have some remaining spaces over here. If you guys want, you can cover it or you can leave it as it is. So for now, I'm just going to be writing today's date. So today is actually 13th April, and it's a Monday. So yeah, so I'm going to be writing 13th April 2026 and Monday over here. And once we're done with this, I'm just going to be taking this blue marker and drawing small dots here and there to complete the final look. So in this, I did not use some of the decorations I made. So I use this design over here. I also did not use the free paper as well. If you guys want, you can use it to enhance the look. But since I did not plan on doing anything before, so I just did it on spot over here. So since there is no space and I don't know what to do with the remaining parts as well, I just left it as it is. So this is just a journal. You guys can decorate it in any way you like, customize it in any way you like, and do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this helped you to do something useful. And I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids Club. Thank you for watching. Bye.